Law of gravitation. What is this? Any two massive body always attract each other by a force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of perpendicular distance. So what is the statement you have to learn? Every particle of matter attracts every other particle of matter with a force directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this is the statement you have to learn, and this equation. Do not write this r cap. Okay. If you write r cap and applying a vector sign over f, then it become vector form. So only you have to learn till here. F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. What is g? G is universal gravitational constant, and the value of g is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Universal gravitational law is always attractive in nature. Next is, what is the importance of universal gravitational law? The gravitational force holds the solar system together. Means due to gravitational force, the solar system exists in nature. Second, it holds the atmosphere near the surface of earth. The flow of water in river is due to the gravitational force. Rainfall and snowfall occurs due to this. Motion of the moon around the earth occurs due to this. Next is gravity. So what is gravity? Learn. It is important. So gravity is the force of attraction between the two objects. When two objects attract each other, it is due to gravity. Means every body kept on the surface of earth is attracted by the earth due to gravity. Now next, all objects with mass have gravity. So what is the essential thing for gravity? Mass. If a body is massless, then it will experience no gravity. Gravity acts like a magnet. It is just like as a magnetic force, pulling objects together. Next, acceleration due to gravity. Suppose that if we freely throw a body and it moves towards the earth, then its speed continuously increasing. It means it has a constant acceleration. So what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration of an object due to pull of the gravitational force only, known as acceleration due to gravity. Learn its definition. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth? Its value is 9.8 meter per second square. Next is, what is free fall? When you freely leave a body and it travels towards the surface of earth under the influence of gravity, then the motion of the body is known as free fall. An object falls freely under the influence of the gravitational force only, known as free fall. Last topic, you have to learn the difference between weight and mass as well as their individual definition. Suppose that you are being questioned what is weight. The pull of Earth's gravitational force on an object is called weight. What is mass? The amount of matter contained in an object known as mass. If you are being questioned, write the difference between weight and mass, then you have to write in this format. Number one, you have to write their definition. Then in weight, change according to the places. Means if you carry an object on the surface of moon, its weight will be different as compared to the weight of body on the surface of earth. But mass of the body remains same at all places. Whether the body is measured on the surface of earth or on the surface of moon, its mass will remain constant. SI unit of weight is Newton, whereas SI unit of mass is kg. Weight is measured with the spring balance, whereas mass is measured by the beam balance.